A magnitude 5.5 earthquake near Abra Pampa, Departamento de Cochinoca, Jujuy, Argentina, was reported only 11 minutes ago by the German Research Center for Geosciences (GFC), considered one of the key international agencies that monitor seismic activity worldwide. The earthquake occurred at an intermediate to considerable depth of 237 km beneath the epicenter early morning on Tuesday, 22nd February 2022 at 3:12 am local time. Our monitoring service identified a second report from the Citizen Seismograph Network of Raspberry Shack, which lists the quake at magnitude 5.8. A third agency, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center (EMSC), reported the same quake at magnitude 5.6. The quake should not have caused any significant damage but was probably felt by many people as light vibration in the area of the epicenter. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thanks.